I love problems. I love chaos.
I don't want peace, I want problems, always.
So much problems, always!
On October 27th, 2024, a retail store in Florida called law enforcement to remove a customer refusing to leave after being denied a return without a receipt. The customer was charged with trespassing, resisting without violence, and battery. She was sentenced to 24 days in jail.
I'll walk with you. So what's going on?
Just the Irish customer, disrespecting the customers, disrespecting the associates.
Oh, okay.
Carrying on and don't want to leave.
I guess the call said that you guys can't return her item, I guess, with that, or?
Yeah, because she doesn't have a receipt.
Oh, nice. That will do it. That will do it. People are concerned. Yeah, that's...
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't tell you that.
It's like that sometimes, you know?
I like that.
Basically, I think she's emotionally, I think that's why she's acting out like that.
Okay, so what's the issue?
She called you guys, right?
Well, you guys called first, didn't you?
Yeah. This is the guy called. She
Yeah,
just
sure,
really
yeah.
loud and
Okay. She didn't have a receipt.
No.
Okay.
no receipt. Okay, so.
Oh, okay, sure. Hi. What are we doing? I don't know. Are you stretching? I don't know. What? I don't. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
Are you arresting me?
No. What? You called us.
Sit!
I'm confused. What would you like me to do?
I'm deaf. I can't hear you.
Are you actually deaf? Okay, how can I help you? You called
I
us.
can't hear you. I say really, really. Really, really.
Well, if you weren't listening to Kevin Gates, you could probably hear us.
Did you talk to her at all? Did she talk to you at all? What did she say?
Come on.
Can you
Are we
understand
getting
me?
arrested or what?
You want to walk to the front with me? We can talk on
I
the phone?
can't hear you. I am deaf.
249.
I'll write it down.
Yeah, I don't know. Two dogs.
You guys want her trespass?
Yeah, it is.
Can I help you? What are you doing? This is comical. Okay. Have fun with your dance.
You! Sit the down! Let's go!
Apparently-
What are we doing?
Apparently the dog's not deaf. What's he trying to return?
Ma'am, you hear that? Are you gonna leave?
I paid for that, though.
Right. Okay.
Let's go!
So take it with you.
I'm
and
trespassed?
Yeah.
Let's go.
leave. So leave.
Leave.
Take your.
Anale no.
What?
Anale.
You're deaf. I don't.
You
speak
don't
Creole.
understand what I'm saying?
No.
I said sit.
Here, ma'am. Here you go. Here, ma'am.
Take your item and leave?
Yep.
Yeah.
I paid for it.
So take
So
it.
take it
Nah.
and leave.
Take me out of here.
Why?
You gonna take me out of here or what?
No, I don't want to.
You want her
Can you just
trespass?
leave?
Can you just tell her in our presence that she's trespassed? You are
I
trespassed.
paid for this item earlier today and I'm not leaving until I get a
They're
replacement.
not going to refund it.
Alright, then take me out.
Do you have a receipt?
Sound
Let's
like
go.
you're doing it, please. Stop
Take
it.
me out.
You're not touching me.
Take me out.
What is
Take
it?
me out.
You want to go to jail?
Take me out. Take me out, officer. Deputy, sheriff.
I'm so
Take me out.
Ma'am, if you don't leave, you're going to go to
Just
jail.
leave.
If you don't leave, you're going to go to jail. And the dog's going to go to the ACC.
Excuse me?
If you don't leave,
My dog's on a leash.
yeah, but your dog, when you go to jail, your dog's going to go to the ACC.
Let's go to jail, please. I love it.
Are you refusing to leave? Ma'am? Here.
Oh my god.
Do you have your name and date of birth? LP wants to
I
do
love jail. I go all the time.
Can you just tell her that if she doesn't leave, she's doing her trespass,
I got your information,
she needs to
bro.
leave, and if not, I'll take her to jail.
Alright, so you will not allow back here for 1 year. After you do come back here for 1 year, we see you in here, we're going to call them, they're going to come here.
Alright, ma'am, so you're officially trespassed.
They're trespassing.
I'm trespass?
Yeah.
You work here?
Yep.
You don't look like you work here.
That's not.
Well, I'm trespass. Let's go. Why are you not handcuffing me if I'm
Refusing to
trespass?
leave?
I'm wanting to go in cuffs. Thank you. This is what y'all wanted.
It's not what you wanted. Take it off?
Yeah. Ready to come off?
I love jail.
Take the cuffs off.
And where's my item that I paid for?
I got it.
You let go of the dog.
My attorney's gonna love this.
Ma'am, you had an ample opportunity to leave.
Literally. Take the dog.
Can you just get his 14? I'll write that. It's my pleasure to take this case. No, seriously.
That's Prince Charles. Don't f with him.
Can you put this in our stuff? Yeah, I'll take it with her for your stuff.
That's my. That's my.
This is your. Alright. Congratulations. You are the proud owner of this. Alright, let's go. You can slow down. Is it a Dalmatian?
Did you get my black item? The phone thing?
Yes,
Okay, great.
You can slow down. You're walking.
My attorney is gonna love this.
Well, we asked you to leave like a million times. Slow down.
Slow down.
What you in a hurry? I'm not in a hurry.
You're right. It looks better if I slow down. Yeah.
It does. You're on my time now.
Whoa.
Okay, what are you doing?
Stand up and walk, man.
Can you walk? What are you doing? Hold both arms. She wants. You said she wants to stand up.
I love problems. I love chaos.
I don't want peace. I want problems. Always.
So much problems always.
What is your?
Stand up. Come on. Stand up and walk.
You're hurting me.
Yeah. Well, that's tough. I'll just drag you.
Ma'am, stand up and walk. Jess, you want to take the dog? I'll pick her up. Here, Eric, I'll pick her up. Ma'am, you need to stand up. Ready? You put her in my car.
Love you.
You have any property on you? No. Have a seat. Hey, Jess.
Hey, guys.
How are you?
What's going on?
Good to see you.
Likewise.
Let me just put, let me see if I can get her 14. ID or something. There we go.
Got a podcast in there.
Wendy, she looks very familiar.
51 or what?
Yeah, she's 20, but just refusing to leave, telling us she's deaf and all that stuff. Honestly, it was kind of comical for about 5 minutes. All right, Miss Wendy, can you step out so I can put your hands behind your back for you? Thank you. Awesome. Thank you very much. All right. Hey, let's turn around. Excellent. Retake them off a couple, yeah. Can you hold this on? There we go. All right, man. You have a seat back in the patrol vehicle. It will get you to jail.
Great.
Alrighty, I'm gonna buckle you up, okay? Can you lean back for me as best as you can?
I'm in pain.
You're in pain?
I am.
You don't want to lean back?
No.
Alright, well, I'm gonna reach around you then. Alrighty. Your seatbelt's on, you're secured. Thanks, bub.
What was our last reference to the car phone? Signal 4, no, Signal 3 in District 10. Do we got a description of the other vehicle?
Come here. Sorry, Bubba. I know this sucks.
Timber, so it's going to be a grade 3.
Under Florida Statute Section 8 to 10, 0 to 8, a person who remains in a structure after being warned to leave by the owner or authorized agent commits trespass, a second-degree misdemeanor punishable by up to 60 days in jail. The framework is simple. Warning issued, refusal to leave, crime complete. The store manager issued a 1-year trespass warning in the officer's presence. The subject is prohibited from entering the store for 12 months. If she returns during this period, she can be arrested on site without additional warning. The initial warning serves as a standing predicate for future enforcement. Under Lloyd Corporation v. Tanner, private property does not become public merely because the public is invited for commercial purposes. A store may revoke any customer's invitation at any time for any lawful reason. Once revoked, the customer must leave immediately. Remaining is trespass, regardless of any pending dispute. The subject went limp, sat on the floor, and refused to walk. Classic passive resistance. Under Florida Statute Section 843, 0 to 2, resisting without violence is a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year. The statute criminalizes deliberate non-compliance with lawful commands, no physical aggression required. The distinction between resisting without violence and resisting with violence is critical. Passive resistance, going limp, refusing to stand, is a misdemeanor under Section 843, 0 to 2. Adding any physical force directed at an officer elevates the charge to a third-degree felony under Section 843, 0 to 1. The battery charge under Florida Statute Section 784, 0 to 3 likely stems from the pre-arrival interaction with the store associate. Battery in Florida requires only an intentional unwanted touching. No injury is necessary. Physical contact during the return dispute, however minor, satisfies the statutory elements. The subject repeatedly claimed to be deaf while responding to verbal questions and listening to music through earbuds. False disability claims during law enforcement encounters do not create legal protections. They undermine the claimant's credibility and risk trivializing the accommodations that individuals with genuine disabilities require. A common misconception: purchasing a product does not create a right to remain on the premises until a dispute is resolved. The remedy for a denied return is a civil complaint, a chargeback through the card issuer, or a consumer protection filing, not a refusal to vacate. Staying converts a civil grievance into a criminal offense. The deputy receives a B. The graduated approach was textbook information gathering, trespass confirmation, warning, multiple compliance opportunities, and documented refusal before arrest. The deduction reflects dismissive language when the subject claimed pain and profanity during passive resistance fodder for defense counsel. Wendy receives a D-. Every escalation was self-inflicted. A no-receipt return denial became 3 criminal charges and 24 days in jail because she chose confrontation at every decision point. Her statements, "I love jail," "I love chaos," confirmed knowing, voluntary defiance. The system took her at her word. Key lessons. For retail customers, a store's refusal to process a return does not authorize you to remain on the premises. The moment the store asks you to leave, the legal dynamic shifts from a commercial dispute to a trespass. Leave first, then pursue the remedy through civil channels. For law enforcement, document every opportunity for voluntary compliance before arrest. This officer asked the subject to leave multiple times, warned of specific consequences, and recorded her knowing refusal on Bodycam. That documentation transforms the case from a judgment call into an evidence-supported decision. For anyone in a dispute with a business, 3 charges and 24 days from a no-receipt return. At every decision point, the alternative was walking out with 0 charges. The legal system does not reward defiance. It processes it. She chose jail. The system obliged. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.